Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to transfer your photos from your iPhone to your Windows 10 computer. The first way is by using the Photos app built into Windows. Plug your phone into a USB port on your computer, and a pop-up display will ask you to choose what happens when you plug in this device. Click it, and on the next Apple iPhone pop-up, select Import Photos and Videos using the Photos app. If this is your first time, you may have to unlock your iPhone and tap Allow on the screen in order for your computer to access your phone. If you do, just tap Allow and then hit Try Again. The Photos app will then look through your phone and find new photos and videos that you haven't yet imported. Again, if this is your first time, like as you can see it is for me, it may take a while. Once it's done scanning, you can then select manually which photos you want to import, or from the drop-down menu here, select All Items. You can have it import to the default location, which is your Photos folder, or if you want to import them to a specific location, select Change Destination and change it there. When you have your selection, tap Import at the bottom. It will then import the photos to the destination you chose. Once it's done, tap OK, and then you can scroll through the photos that you've imported. The second way I'll show you is to import photos manually using File Explorer. Plug your phone in again and choose what happens with this device. Next, select Open Device to view files with the File Explorer. You'll be asked again on your iPhone to allow this device to access photos and videos. Tap Allow. Back on your PC, double-click Internal Storage, DCIM, and then you'll see a bunch of folders inside. From here, you can open each one of these folders to see the contents. When you find a photo or video that you want to transfer over, just select it or highlight a few and right-click and select Copy. You can then create or go to a folder where you have photos and right-click and select Paste. When you're done, you can go ahead and just unplug your iPhone. And that's how you transfer photos from your iPhone to a Windows computer. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.